One of my recent projects here has been building quick attach from Mobility Loader. And this here is the plate that will be welded to the pallet forks. And if I release it here, and then release this pin here, the plate swings away, and hopefully I can get finished with it here tomorrow. And now just need to weld this plate onto the pallet forks I have here sitting in the shop. This video will be released into 2 parts this weekend and the weekend after. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss it.